Whilst the driver only needs sport stage, it is still a busy flight, so in order to maximise your head locker stays, we are asking all passengers to take smaller items such as handbag, backpack, laptop bag and duty-free bag under the seats in front of you, and to keep your own head locker both filled for our desired batteries and quenches. Which will enable us to get away as quickly as possible this evening, as any bags to use these grills.
So, what this British Airways operation Airbus A320 to Dublin. My name is Neil Smith, and on the flight deck with me today, my friend electronic swim shore. In the cabin, looking after your comfort, but primarily your safety when testing team, Amy and Ryan, and all that's going to be introducing the rest of our team to get underway. Well, I'd like to start with an apology for the late departure time. The aircraft was late inbound and then they had to have a last minute standing change because the jet bridge on the one that was allocated broke. So that caused a further delay. But we're all boarded now, just waiting on the last bit of the cargo to load. Once that's done, we'll be giving pushback clearance and setting the course for go. To get out to the runway, it's going to take about 15 to 20 minutes, and that depends on how much traffic there is out there before we get airborne. But once we get airborne, we get airborne onto our left-hand side in terms of direction, climbing up to 32,000 feet, and we've got about 55 minutes flight time. Now, during the taxi out there, the team are going to be showing you a safety demonstration. Now, I know there's frequent flyers amongst us, but please may I ask, just for 5 minutes, at any point during the flight, if Alex or I need to turn on the fasten seatbelt signs for whatever reason, please do ensure you are seated and those seatbelts securely fastened. Well, as mentioned, it's about 55 minutes of flight time. Weather in Dublin at the moment, I can tell you, it's actually fairly pleasant evening, temperatures sitting at 17 degrees Celsius, a few clouds around. But what I'll do is update you on estimated time of arrival, as well as the latest weather just before we start our approach.
To the captain's my name is Dan. It's my pleasure to be the in-flight manager aboard this flight to Dublin. A special welcome to those of you who attend Flight Executive Club National Flight Club. My fantastic team of cabin crew on board today. The cabin crew are here for your comfort, but primarily they are here for your safety. So on that note, bear in mind to keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you are seated, and it must remain securely fastened and adhered to the cabin crew with the seatbelt sign as well. When opening overhead lockers, please take care as well as in fair food without consuming. As a reminder, smoking, including e-cigarettes, vaping, and the use of any other smoking device is not permitted at any time whilst on board, and this does include the toilet, smoke detectors. Should we go? Well, once we're underway, we'll be starting our onboard service. If you have a food allergy or would like information on specific allergies on today's flights, then choose to ask for medical coverage. For those of you in Club Europe, we'll be serving a light ale, drinks in a bar, and in Euro Traveller you will receive a complimentary bottle of water and a sweet or strawberry snack. We'll invite you now to step back and make it a jolly hospitality on a British Airways. So if there's anything my team where I can do to make the journey more comfortable, then please just say so. Thank you and have a wonderful ride.
Statement and use of application devices is not permitted at any time whilst on board. This includes inside the dwelling subject to miscellaneous detected. Personal devices should have birthday made feature enabled now. Handheld devices must be held securely or placed into a pocket. Larger devices, clean laptops, will be staged to safety to take off and land. Laptops get take off and landed, they must also be unplugged when they are to use during the flight. If you lose your device in your seat, please don't move the seat to inform your cabin crew. Hand baggage must be placed under the seat in front of you or in the overhead locker, so it doesn't block the aisles or exit. Place items in the locker carefully as they may fall out to injure someone. We ask for your full attention while we demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft, that they may be different to any aircraft we've flown on before. Please check your seatbelt is fastened securely and more whenever the seatbelt signs are on. It is fastened and adjusted like this, and diagonal like this. For your comfort and safety, you recommend keeping your seatbelt fastened and visible at all times. If the cabin is right bells, oxygen will be provided. Masks like this will be automatically. If you're wearing a face mask, please remove it before putting on your oxygen mask. Stay in your seat, pull the oxygen mask towards you and place it over your mouth and nose. Breathe normally, adjusting the bands to secure it. Please note that the bag being
service available for lodgers, please refer to the menu card in the seat pocket. For our short flights, we do not have sandwiches available. Please have your preferred method of payment ready in advance, but please note that we do not accept cash as payment by card.
around about 25 minutes time, looking at 9:30. The weather there at the moment, temperature 16 degrees Celsius. There are quite a few clouds around now, and we still have so landing in around about 25 minutes.
In approximately 10 minutes time, it helps prepare for landing. Please now you gather all your personal belongings ready to display. If you wish to display in many ways, please have a member of crew will pass through the cabin shortly. Here at British Airways, we are very proud to have a long-standing charity partnership with Comet Believable Flying Star. Together, our customers and colleagues have raised over £28 million to help children and young people live through the most challenging times of their lives in the UK and around the world. This includes supporting organisations like Butterflies in Delhi. Butterflies work give life skills to children that live and work on the streets of Delhi to help them thrive away from such a vulnerable situation. Just £2 a day can help Butterflies develop healthcare for one mum and one child in Delhi. If you'd like to help, then you can place your spare change in any company into our charity collection bag, which a member of crew will shortly bring through the cabin. On behalf of British Airways, Comet Relief and Flying Star, we thank you in advance for your continued support and generosity.
Welcome to Dublin. The time is just gone 25 minutes past 9. Please do remain seated with your seatbelts securely fastened until the seatbelt signs have been switched on. When it is safe to leave your seat, please do take care of remaining in overhead lockers as items may move could fall out on visit before leaving the aircraft today. Please make sure you have your purse and belongings with you, particularly any travel documentation. You may now make and receive calls as well as your data services on your handheld electronic devices. If you require any assistance here at Dublin Airport, our ground colleagues will be happy to assist you. And for those customers who have ordered special assistance in the aircraft today, we do ask that you remain seated to the aircraft until the air around us is completely clear, at which point the cabin team will be on hand to assist you. Well, on behalf of all of us on board at British Airways, I'd like to thank you for choosing to fly us today, and we look forward to seeing you again very soon. Thank you, and a very good evening, and say good on the journey to
The terminal building, just waiting for them to position the stairs to the side. If once they're in position, it'll be safe for us to open the gates. Just a reminder, please, if you picture